3, 2, 1.
So excited to see you all winning with your bright ideas. But let's move on to now the senior category. The senior category for student, we're going to call upon our chief judge, Mr. Chu Hong Kiong, to just come and make the announcements. Mr. Chu, over to you.
In this category, senior student, we have 9 merits and 1 winner. I start with the merits. The merit goes to Bangladesh, Jhenaidah Polytechnic Institute, for their project IoT-based smart vending machine for sanitary pad. Congratulations.
Malaysia, come, connect, and create a new experience that's inspiring, motivating, and rewarding. Malaysia, Asia like never before.